Updating your legal name with your financial institution is an important step to ensure that your accounts are accurate and up to date. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process with Technology Credit Union. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your legal name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Ensure these documents are official and clearly show your new name. Step 2. Contact customer service. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SREP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Complete the name change form. Request a name change form from the customer service representative. Fill out the form with your current information and your new legal name. Make sure to double check for accuracy before submitting it. Step 4. Submit your documents. Provide the completed name change form along with your supporting documents. You may need to submit these in person at a branch or send them via secure email or fax, depending on the instructions given by customer service. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with Technology Credit Union to confirm that your name has been updated in their system. This may take a few days, so be patient and ensure everything is correct. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated with Technology Credit Union. Always keep a copy of your documents and confirmation for your records.